room 3106. This is a tropical view room. So I walk in, it is bright, it is airy. Love the big, beautiful king bed. Really nice little side tables and reading lamps. Nice sofa. Desk. And a nice little area for you to put your luggage. This one is steps away from the pool and the water park. Got a nice little terrace space, table and chairs. Nice big television. And take a quick look at the washroom. Everything you need. Nice size vanity. Good shower. I love that they got a little drying rack in here as well. Toilet. And a nice sized closet with the minibar down below. This is a deluxe tropical view room here at Sunscape Dominicus.